Hello friends, today I'm showing you this Yoobure C shaped end table, side table for couch and bed. So see, it comes in a really nice pack. So this is for the small spaces, living room, bedroom. It's a rustic snack table that you can use anywhere, and you can see like the wood is really nice. It's a rustic color wood. These are the metal frame. So I will show you the assembly. So you can see like these all are the metal frame for adjustment. So the manual is really nice that it describe all the numbers, and the numbers are given on the parts for assembly. So like for example, this is 3, this one is 4 or thing, and then these are the adjustable feet that you can put. So step by step I will show you like how to adjust these steps, and you can see that I put these legs, and then these are the screws with the N on both of it, so you have to combine these. So once you combine, put all these all together, then just adjust it, and there are the supply tools that you can use to put this one on top of it. So here is the supply tools. It's pretty much easy to put it there and then adjust it. So this is the B one. So usually there are 4 pieces, like 4 is required, it mentioned there, but the packet have the 5, like one as a spare one in case you lose one or is not working, so you can use the 5th one for your work. So this is another side adjustment that can be used. The total height for this is 23 inch with a width of 15.7 inch, and which can bear a capacity of 50 lbs. So assembly is easy as I mentioned. So these are all the supplied tools, just use them and then adjust this. This is additional storage board that is now fixed, and this is the main frame that comes on top of it. So it's the G. So I will just put in here and then put the screws in. So you can also claim this as a vintage end table because of its look, but it's easy to clean, water resistant board, and smooth and flat surface as I show you before. So assembly is quite easy, as you can see. And then just put in the top board, and as I mentioned, this is a high quality wood board, and you can see it by yourself in the video. So it's pretty much straightforward assembly, and you can just fix it like this. So it's a total C shaped and suitable for different spaces. It can be used in a study room or near to the couch, recliner, bed, where you need to just put this in the side, and the table will come on the bed. So this is the assembled table that you can see. It looks really nice, and as I said, near to the recliner you can put stuff on it. It's pretty handy and good because it goes under the recliner or the couch, and then you can use it. Then hopefully this video is useful and you can make your mind, but overall it's a very nice video or table, and yeah, it's pretty good and nice.